Hey guys, I'm Lulu. In this video, we'll install these wheel spacers on Maserati. So is it safe to run wheel spacers with this hub-centric? Hub-centric wheel spacers offer a better system of support and stability. They're designed to make a snug connection between the wheel and the vehicle hub, reducing the high-speed vibration and ensuring safer driving. Compared with others, the multi-stage hub-centric design makes the installation more fitting and safer. As a professional wheel spacers manufacturer, BONOSS has created the world's first active cooling technology based on years of experience. Through the rotation of the wheel spacers, the external cold airflow takes away the internal heat so as to achieve the purpose of active cooling, improve the braking efficiency, and reduce the risk of driving safety. That's all for today's video. If you want to get this BONOSS hub-centric wheel spacer, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.